Welcome, guys, to the Meet Damien channel. I am Damien, and I'm glad you guys came to join me on this live stream about Bitcoin making another new all-time high. We're going to take a look at coinmarketcap.com real quick, see well the cryptocurrencies did well as Bitcoin, and then we'll take a look at the charts, and then I'll take some requests from you guys about your favorite cryptocurrency, and we can take a look at the charts and take a look at CoinMarketCap, try to figure out, where the price might be going next. But yeah, let me go ahead and fire up CoinMarketCap here. Yep, so we have CoinMarketCap right here. We're looking at the current price of Bitcoin is currently at 75,793. Let me just click refresh, make sure that that's actually the good price right there. Yep, it's still $75,889 for Bitcoin. Slightly down today. It was higher earlier today. We did see it get up to like 76,000, I believe, and higher than that. Ethereum is having a good day for all you Ethereum investors out there. Ethereum is currently trading at $2,889. I think it might even got up to like 2,900 earlier today. We'll take a look at that in the charts as well. But yeah, Ethereum up 7.3% today and up 14.69% this past week. Solana is also having a good day, up 3.87%, currently at $196.39, and up 16%, higher than Ethereum, up 16% this past week. BNB at $601, up 1.58% and 4.3% for the past week. XRP investors, XRP up 2% today and up 8% this past week. Dogecoin had a good week so far. Dogecoin is up 19.4% this week, but it's currently down 2.9% for today. Currently trading at 19 cents. Cardano up 11.65%. Cardano's having a good day today as well. Probably a lot of these old coins like Ethereum and Cardano, they've had a pretty good day today. A lot of animal spirits are coming into the market now, and some of the old G's, right, from the previous cycles are getting excited and they're going back into their old coins that they know for sure will go up in price, and Cardano is one of them, up 17% this past week. TRX currently trading at 16 cents, down 1.5% today and down 4.4% this week. Not quite sure why Tron's not participating in this bull run here. Maybe you guys can leave your thoughts and comments in the live chat, and also leave some comments as to why Tron might not be doing so well. If you guys really want to talk about Tron, we can look at it in the charts, but we're going to stick to some of the other higher performer coins that did well today. We're definitely going to be talking about Ethereum, I'll tell you that. Toncoin currently trading at $4.94, up 3.85% today and up 2.3% this week. Shiba Inu currently trading at 1907, up 6.74% this week. Avalanche, AVAX, up 10% this week. Chainlink, up 10% this week. I mean, the list goes on, guys, here. Some of the more notable ones, Sui, up 17% this week, okay? Currently trading $1.31. I did a YouTube short not too early ago. Actually, maybe it might have been a regular video about Sui, but I showed you guys how Sui could possibly be a $30 cryptocurrency later on going into next year. If the same kind of money that's in Solana goes into Sui, we could see a $30 Sui. Okay, so Sui might be one you guys want to add to your portfolio, your cryptocurrency portfolio, because that one has a lot of potential in it. Polkadot currently trading at $4.17 and up 5.5% this week, and the list goes on. Some of the cryptocurrencies that didn't do so well this week, we'll take a look at that. Kaya, Helium, Tron are having some bad weeks here, but not really too bad, except for Kaya. Kaya down 13% for the week. Some of the cryptocurrencies that are having some phenomenal weeks here You got Goat, okay, up 54% this week. Radium, which is related to Solana, that's up 47% this week. Nero up 40%, Athena up 37%. And so like a lot of money has been made this week in cryptocurrency. And that's mainly because of Donald Trump getting elected. Donald Trump is pro crypto. His vice president owns like hundreds of thousands of dollars. JD Vance owns like hundreds of thousands of dollars of Bitcoin and crypto. So those guys are going to make sure that we make some money here in crypto world. But yeah, Lisa's in the chat saying that Solana's doing great, and Solana has been doing great. But I want to talk about Ethereum because Ethereum is having its day in the sun right now, and it's been disappointing investors the past few weeks here. But we're gonna take a look at the Ethereum chart first because Ethereum has done so well, and Ethereum hasn't been getting any love. Even I kind of was like not too thrilled about Ethereem, but we're gonna look at Ethereum first, and then we'll take a look at Bitcoin, and then we'll look at Solana, okay? And then we'll do some requests after that, okay? So get ready to request your favorite cryptocurrencies because we're going to look at the charts here real quick. We'll start with the Ethereum chart here, okay? So let's look at Ethereum USD. I'm going to show you here on TradingView what's going on with Ethereum. Let me just double check. Yep, you guys can see Ethereum. The price of Ethereum is up above my head here at $22,879. You can see the Ethereum price, $2,879. And I'm going to zoom out here real quick. I'm going to show you what the daily chart looks like for Ethereum because Ethereum is doing phenomenal today, okay? And also had a pretty good day yesterday. I'm sorry I wasn't here, guys, for the live stream last night. I've been very busy, but today, here I am, okay? But Ethereum is currently up 5.64% today, but it had like a 12% gainer yesterday, Wednesday, right after Donald Trump got elected. Okay. And I was a little bit concerned about Ethereum because Ethereum was doing like kind of like a triple top. These white lines here. Let me just clean this chart up here a little bit for you guys so you can see. So we had like almost like a triple top going on with Ethereum. And I guess that was pretty much a fake out. Okay. This could have turned into like a head and shoulders if this was a little bit higher. And this would have been a shoulder, right shoulder, and a left shoulder. But I mean, a triple top or a head and shoulder is just not a good pattern to see on the charts. And that was leading us to be bearish on Ethereum. And then Ethereum decides to like give us a good fake out here. Where could Ethereum go next after this? Well, Ethereum has to go up to higher prices here. But I can see Ethereum trying to settle down near like the $3,200 level here, which is another $400 away from where it is right now. Let's see, any other resistance area? I see a resistance area here near like the $3,700 level. And of course, Ethereum only got as high as like $4,091 back in March of 2024. So that's going to be another resistance area. So Ethereum's got a lot of work to do along with these other cryptocurrencies. They're not at their all-time highs like Bitcoin is. We're going to talk about Bitcoin here real quick because Bitcoin is actually the star stud of the day, making new all-time highs today. Okay, and we're going to look at Bitcoin real quick here. Okay, so Bitcoin is currently trading at $75,690 to get one Bitcoin. One whole Bitcoin is going to cost you 75 grand. All right. And Ethereum is, it has about an hour and 43 minutes left to close this daily candle here. And we're just going to zoom in a little bit and show you like what the price action is. And Ethereum has broken through its all-time highs. The last time it made an all-time high was back in March, okay, when it got as high as like $73,709 here on Coinbase Exchange. But looks like Ethereum broke past that. It broke past that on Wednesday, yesterday. After Donald Trump got elected, Bitcoin went up to $76,509 as its highest price, and it closed the day out at $75,646 for a new all-time high and a new all-time daily close candle. Okay, but as far as today goes, we have an indecision candle. You can see this little green candle. It really doesn't know what it wants to do right now. I got to zoom in a little bit just for you guys to see the candle, but that is today's action, and it's indecision. Indecision could mean we might have a reversal in price for the bears for the bears out there. They might like that, but it could also have a continuation to higher prices here. But right now, yeah, the daily candle is going to close in about an hour and 42 minutes. And we opened today at like $75,640. We got as high as almost $77,000. We only $1 off from $77,000 on Bitcoin today, guys. Okay. So Bitcoin did make an all-time high. It would have been 77,000, but it ended up being 76,999. Okay. And right now we're currently trading at 75,668. Which I believe is, yep, it's higher, slightly higher than what we closed at yesterday. Barely, okay? And that's a straight indecision candle. But we'll see what happens in the next hour with Bitcoin. See if we can get like a nice, solid body green candle here. And it looks like it's trying to build this little skinny body up a little bit. Okay. But yeah, that is Bitcoin, right? Currently trading at $75,000. Could it continue on? I believe it can, but we are getting close to oversold on the RSI here. You see this red line, the RSI is at 70.14 and 70.36, okay? Anything above 70 is considered oversold. And Bitcoin can be oversold. It can do it for a few days, like it did back in like March, where we were at, RSIs of like 80, 87, 79. Once you see RSI of like 80, I would start, if you're a short-term trader, I would start selling Bitcoin. And if you're trying to buy Bitcoin, you might want to wait for lower prices, because RSI at 80 means we're overheated and Bitcoin wants to take a break. Okay. But while Bitcoin is taking a break, the other cryptocurrencies can go up in price, especially if Bitcoin just goes sideways. Then we can probably see the altcoins go to higher prices here. And that's what a lot of altcoin investors are hoping for. As like some of you Solana investors out there, I know Lisa basically said Solana is doing great, and we'll take a look at Solana now. Okay, so here's what Solana has done. Solana is currently trading at $195.30. Okay, up 4.58% today. So a very good day for Solana investors. And what I like about Solana is that it's currently breaking out of this symmetrical triangle that we charted out a while. Solana's been basically trading sideways and downwards all throughout the summer, but now we're finally getting some direction here, some momentum, and the momentum's to the upside. And, I measured out in earlier videos here, if we take the measure move from the top of the symmetrical triangle to the bottom of the symmetrical triangle, and then we take that potential measure move and we basically put it where we're breaking out, okay, right over here, we could see Solana get up to like $287 in the next few weeks, next couple of months here, okay? And we're well on our way, because we're only about less than $100 away from $280 here. And that's what the measure move is saying, guys. That's what we're expecting. That's what I'm expecting here for Solana, okay? So there's still some room for Solana to run. The other thing that I like about Solana that is currently doing right now is Solana is getting above the local top that it made back in July 29th here, when it got as high as $193.89. We're currently trading at $195, and Solana did see higher prices. Solana did get up to like $198, $2 away from $200. You could have had $200 Solana. We only needed like $2 more to go, but that's fine. Solana's doing pretty well. We might get that tomorrow. We might get that later on this week. Okay. Especially if Bitcoin goes sideways, and if Bitcoin doesn't go down, but Bitcoin just goes sideways, okay, then start seeing more money pouring into these altcoins like Solana, because the Bitcoin investors, if they don't see their Bitcoin going up in price, they're going to start looking at Solana and these other altcoins, and they're going to start taking their profits out of Bitcoin and putting into Solana, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP. They're going to put it into these other coins and try to make more profit on the profits that they already made. Okay, so that's the good bullish case that I see for Solana. If Solana decides to go down in price, we do want to see Solana basically defend this $185 level here, where we had some of the local candle wick closes and tops over here. And if Solana doesn't defend the $180 level, then look out below, because then we can probably go down to like basically the $165 level here, where we had this supply line. Maybe that supply line we can basically retest that line and go higher. So basically, if for some reason Solana decides to go down, right, we want it to go down to the supply line of 164, 165, bounce off of that supply line, and then go to higher prices. Okay. We shall see. All right. That's what happened. That's what could happen if there's the bears come in and attack Solana and bring it back down to $160. The bullish case would be if we see a retest and we start going up, then the bull case is still intact, and we can see higher prices for Solana, even if it does go down $30 from here. Okay. But yeah, let's look at some of these other cryptocurrencies. Which one do I want to look at next? You guys put a request in if you want me to talk about your specific cryptocurrency. I think what we'll do next is we're going to look at Dogecoin, because Dogecoin had a pretty good week. And I got some information I could talk to you guys about Dogecoin with. Okay. So Dogecoin, USD. Okay. Dogecoin is trading at 19 cents right now. For those of you who like cryptocurrencies less than $1, you can get Dogecoin for 19 cents. And Dogecoin is slightly down today, but it had a phenomenal week earlier. And it had a really great day yesterday when it was up like 15% on Wednesday. And that's mainly because Elon Musk, he owns a bunch of Dogecoin. He's been talking about Dogecoin on Twitter, which he owns, the platform X, okay? And, Elon Musk could possibly buy more Dogecoin. And he's been talking about if Donald Trump gets elected, that he might create a department in the government called the Department of Government Efficiency, or Doge. So all that talk about Doge, and Elon Musk owns a bunch of Dogecoin, it got a lot of Dogecoin investors excited that maybe we might see Elon Musk put more money into Dogecoin. And just talking about Doge and Department of Government Efficiency and Doge, it gets more people talking about it, which then leads to more people trying to look into Doge and actually buying Dogecoin. That's the narrative, okay? But yeah, Dogecoin, where could Dogecoin go? Well, I think Dogecoin did mainly its measured move, okay? Because we did some previous chart work, and this line was coming off of here, okay, where we measured from the bottom to the top, and Dogecoin basically created this yellow flag here, and the measured move is just taking the flagpole of that descending wedge and flagpole, and we put it right where we broke out. And this is where the breakout could take us to. We could go to Dogecoin seeing 23 cents, which we almost did yesterday when we saw Dogecoin get as high as roughly 22 cents. So I think the measured move has already happened for Dogecoin already. So congratulations to Dogecoin investors who are out there. Could Dogecoin go up higher? Of course it could, especially if Elon Musk is buying it, right? We could see Dogecoin then try to go up to like the 30-cent area, which it was at back in 2021. And then, of course, we could see Dogecoin go even higher when it was at as high as, where's this data? Let me see this. About 40 cents in June of 2021. So Dogecoin might still double in price from where it is right now. And then who knows what could happen, especially if Bitcoin doubles in price. Dogecoin is probably going to do more than a double. But yeah, that's my analysis on Dogecoin. What's another cryptocurrency we could take a look that did pretty well? Oh, Cardano. Why not talk about Cardano, which had a pretty good week so far? All right, so we're going to look at the ADA or Cardano on the chart here. And you can see Cardano is currently trading at 39 cents, and Cardano is still below this blue line, which I charted a while ago. It's a line that I saw a lot of opening and closing. It's basically a resistance line. If Cardano can get above 45 cents, then we might see even more higher prices for Cardano. But the fact that Cardano is already at 39 cents leaves me makes us all optimistic about Cardano going to higher prices here. And I'm just zooming in here. Cardano does need to get above this local high that it made back in September of 27th, when it got as high as 41 cents. Okay, so that could be an area of resistance. So whoever bought Cardano over here probably wants to get out and break even. So there might be some resistance at that level there, guys. But you know, I have done some chart work here where you can see this white triangle was basically an ascending triangle, and you take the measure move and it gives you an idea as to like you know, how high Cardano could go in the short term here. And you know, I just measure from the top of the ascending triangle to the bottom of the ascending triangle, and you take that measured move and you put it right where Cardano's breaking out right over here, and it gives you an idea where Cardano could go. And once you know, this blue line is actually showing 45 cents. So that's another reason why I had 45 cents already plotted out here. That blue number 45 cents is where I expect Cardano to go in the short term here, probably later on in November or early December here, guys. Okay. But I'm liking what I'm seeing with Cardano. It's not even overbought. It's over at here at RSI of 64. Okay. So Cardano has some room to go to keep the bull run going here. MACD is also looking pretty good as well. We got the blue line getting above the orange line, so it means that we want to go to higher prices here. Also, the stochastic RSI on the bottom shows that we're shooting back up to higher prices here. So Cardano might not be finished. For you bears out there, watch out. Cardano wants to go higher. Okay, looks like Cardano might want to touch that 45 cent level. Okay, so that's my analysis there on Cardano. ADA. Yeah, let's take a look at some more cryptocurrencies here. I don't think we talked about Avalanche. Avalanche is also having a pretty good weeks as well. We're gonna look at AVAX Avalanche. You can buy Avalanche on Coinbase here. Just a disclaimer: I actually own some Avalanche myself, but that's only because I believe Avalanche is going to higher prices here. Okay, but yeah, let me just clean this chart up a little bit. You'll see what Avalanche could do here. So Avalanche is currently trading at $27.26, and Avalanche has been making lower highs here. I do want to see Avalanche make a higher high before we start to get bullish and excited on Avalanche. We want to see Avalanche get up to like basically $28, which is not that far away. It's only $1 off. Okay, we want to see Avalanche get to like 28, 29. And we want to see it get higher than where it was on Friday, September 27th, when we saw Avalanche almost at $31. So I want to see Avalanche at $31 before I get really bullish on Avalanche. Okay, but the measured move out of this symmetrical triangle that Avalanche is creating is right over here. I got the previous chart work ready to go. Okay, and if we take that measured move and we put it to where we think Avalanche is going to break out of, we get an idea as like how high it could go, and we're looking at maybe Avalanche at this blue number going to $44. Okay, and what is that? What kind of measure move is that? I want to just get an info, have an idea as like how, if Avalanche continues going higher, we could see a 55% gainer for Avalanche if it can get up to $44 here. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. Okay. That Avalanche might be worth looking into, adding into your cryptocurrency portfolio. Avalanche also has a popular video game on it called Off the Grid, and that's been doing pretty well. So that's been getting a lot of attention and a lot of people excited about Avalanche and Off the Grid. So yeah, I see some promising things for Avalanche here in the future, and I expect Avalanche to go up to $44 in the near term here, probably later on this month or in December. Okay. Yeah, so that's Avalanche. Now let's take a look at a popular cryptocurrency that's kicking butt these past few weeks here, and that's Sui Coin. Sui Coin, right, is currently trading at $2.29. Okay. Sui Coin's been having a good past few weeks here. You know, you could have got Sui at what 46 cents back in beginning of August, and then you even had it cut out another shot at it when it got as low as 74 cents here in September. But then Sui's been having a really good September, and then it's been having a really good October here. And Sui coin is got as high as $2.34, and actually got as high as $2.38 today. And that's a new all-time high for Sui because there's really nothing higher than that for Sui. Sui's doing just as good as Bitcoin as far as making new all-time highs here. So you're gonna hear a lot about Sui coin in the news when it comes to cryptocurrencies here, and you're gonna hear about Bitcoin, of course, and you're probably gonna hear about Solana as well. So those cryptocurrencies are kicking butt and taking names and making people a lot of money today, and going into the future here. Oh man, did a lot of talking there, guys. Have to take a sip of water. How is everybody doing today? We can talk about other things besides cryptocurrencies. I just gave a 30-minute marathon session right there, running about 100 miles an hour on my mouth right there. But yeah, how is everybody day going? Anybody make some good money with the cryptocurrencies? What are you guys excited about? Stock market also did pretty good for those of you who have stocks. I can show you guys a cryptocurrency miner that did pretty well in the stock market. It's related to cryptocurrencies, but there's this Bitcoin miner called CleanSpark that did pretty well. Okay, let me just type that one in, CleanSpark. So if you guys don't have a cryptocurrency exchange account, but you're in the stock market, you can still take advantage of Bitcoin and crypto by buying some of these Bitcoin miners. This one's CleanSpark. CleanSpark has been as high as about like $17 throughout the majority of this 2024, this year. It dropped down in August, had a bad August and a bad September. But CleanSpark is currently trading at $13.57. And let's see, CleanSpark only up 4.4% today, but it was up 23% yesterday after the news about Donald Trump getting elected. Sent all these cryptocurrencies and these cryptocurrency miners up in price. CleanSpark was trading about as low as like $9.98 just on election day, and then it shot up to like the $13 level the very next day. CleanSpark is still looking good though, because its RSI is only 63. Leads me to believe that there's still more room to go. And where could CleanSpark go if it decides to go to higher prices? Well, I see like the $16, $17 level being a lot of area of resistance for CleanSpark. Okay. But maybe after another good earnings report and the price of Bitcoin going to higher prices, we could see CleanSpark go to higher prices like it did back in 2021 when we saw CleanSpark at like $30, $37. Okay. So this might be a Bitcoin miner cryptocurrency play that you guys might want to check out. And you can find this on the stock market. It currently trades on the NASDAQ. CleanSpark might be worth looking into. Another cryptocurrency stock in the stock market is Coinbase. Coinbase Exchange actually has a listing on the NASDAQ, and Coinbase also did pretty well in the stock market. Coinbase is currently trading at $255.58. So let me just kind of zoom in here a little bit. And you can see that Coinbase, on Monday, was only trading at $180. And then on Tuesday, the election day, it was like $185. It ended the day at $193. And then after Donald Trump got elected, Coinbase shot up 31%. It went all the way as high as like $257. And now here it is currently trading at $255. Okay, so Coinbase and crypto is going to do very well now that Donald Trump is elected, and the Republicans will be coming into power next year. It's going to be good news, good time to be making some money here, guys, especially in cryptocurrency world. And Coinbase could, it has been as high as like $276 in March of 2024. But we want to see higher prices than that because Coinbase has been higher than that. Coinbase has been as high as like $340 in November of 2021. And its IPO price, when it first became public, it got as high as $349. So, we'll see if Coinbase can do that again. I believe it can do that going into next year. There's going to be a lot of money to be made in cryptocurrency world, and Coinbase is going to be a big benefactor of that, especially when more people start getting onto the cryptocurrency exchanges. Coinbase is going to make a lot of money between now and next year, this time next year. All right. I don't see any requests here. I think I'm gonna probably. If I don't have any requests here, guys, I might talk about maybe one or two more cryptocurrencies like the meme coins here. But then after that, I'm gonna call it a live stream here. Because yeah, if there's nobody talking on the live stream, then there's no questions for me to answer. I can't really talk about cryptocurrencies if you guys don't have any requests here. Dead. That's how I know Bitcoin's going to go to higher prices, because no one is excited about it right now, except for the ones who are already in it. But when Bitcoin goes up to like $100,000, okay, you guys are going to see a lot more people getting excited about cryptocurrencies and trying to get into it. Bitcoin is currently trading at $75,743. It was as high as almost 77 grand earlier today, so it's taking a breather right now. Let's see some of these cryptocurrencies that did pretty well today. Let's see. We have Maker and Goats. Let's look at Goats here, okay? Let's see why Goats did so well. I don't even know what this coin is, but apparently it's a number 84 cryptocurrency. There's so many of them out there, guys. I can't know them all. All right, so this is a meme coin. First meme created by Truth Terminal. Goddess will fulfill the prophecies of the ancient. Oh my God, so weird. Let me look at the website here. See what the website says. Are you guys able to see any of that? Okay. Goddess. I don't know. This is what I'm looking at right now. Anyways, I'm gonna just exit that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, anyways, Goddess. Okay. How long has this cryptocurrency been out? I feel like this is a very brand spanking new cryptocurrency. Yeah, it is. Goat came out like what? Oh my God! It came out October 14th. Is when we have data for Goat, and this is now a top 84 cryptocurrency. It has an $800 million market cap. How the hell is that even possible? This cryptocurrency came out of nowhere, guys. Let me look at TradingView. See if there's any information on Goat here. Curious. I never heard of this cryptocurrency. Yeah, it has almost $1 billion in it. Goat USDT. See how it is on KuCoin here. Oh my God. Yeah. There's barely any data. Okay. Goat currently trading at 82 cents. Right? Okay. On its first day, it got as high as 96 cents, and then it's been going down in price ever since then. Got as low as 42 cents on November 3rd, but then it went up 19% and closed it out at 52 cents. And then on Tuesday, the election day, it went up 24%. And then the next day, which was yesterday, it got up 32% and as high as 83 cents. And then today it got as high as 94 cents, but it's currently trading at 82 cents. So I'm all confused here, guys. There's not much I can do besides say, like, hey, you know, maybe you can throw your hat in the ring and see if it goes to higher prices here. But I will wait for it to come back down again to like 50 cents before I would get excited about GOAT. Because you might get rug pulled and you might lose half your money if you decide to buy right now. Any of these meme coins, you can lose half your money, but then you can also double your money or even 10x your money. But yeah, GOAT, you can probably buy that on KuCoin Exchange. That's where we're getting this data from. All right. So that's interesting. Let's take a look at another cryptocurrency here. Shoot. Oh no, what did I do? All right. Let's see. I want to see if there's another cryptocurrency that's doing pretty well here. I think I might look at Popcat. Popcat's been doing pretty well. Actually, no. We'll look at Radium. Radium is up 47% this week, guys. Let me just show you real quick. Radium. Okay. Radium right over here. Number 62 cryptocurrency has $1.2 billion in market cap. Up 47% this week. And if I click on Radium and click on the About section over here, it tells you more about Radium. It's an automated market maker and liquidity provider built on the Solana blockchain, so it's related to Solana. For the Serum decentralized exchange, so it's a decentralized exchange. And you can read more about it, but basically it's a DEX, guys, a decentralized exchange. And we'll look at the price, okay? We'll look at the price here for Radium. Okay, and Radium USDT on Bybit. Okay. Radium is currently trading at $4.72, up 9% today. Radium was up 34% yesterday after Donald Trump got elected, and they confirmed it. Radium is overheated on the RSI. You can see on the red line here, we have an RSI of 78 and 75. So I would not be buying Radium right now. Okay, if you do, expect to take a loss immediately or sooner rather than later, because Radium probably wants to come back down to like a more reasonable level, like $3.20, before we bounce up and go to higher prices here. But looks like Radium is making new all-time highs here because this data going back to like June 2024, we never seen Radium this high before in price. I mean, I could try looking to see if there's another exchange that has more data, but I don't think so. I mean, we'll look at Mexi maybe. Okay, yeah, Mexi has some more information about Radium. Yeah, Radium has never been this high. It's at all-time highs. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm relatively new to this cryptocurrency. So apparently this cryptocurrency came out back in like May of 2021. And Radium, if I zoom out here a little bit, has been as high as like $1.87, 82 cents May of 2021. And it got up to like $16 in like September of 2021. And then it's been downward and sideways and downwards ever since then. But like it looks like there's some life being breathed into this cryptocurrency and this decentralized exchange. And we can see Radium is at $4.72. I would have to do a Fibonacci retracement to find out where the next level might be for Radium, besides looking at price support. I mean, Radium could get some resistance here at $5.50, but then after that, it could shoot right up to like almost $8 here. So you can get a double in price in Radium soon here, guys. Let me just do the Fibonacci real quick here. So what we said, Radium was high as like $16. 1680. Okay, we'll just say that 16. All right. So we're gonna take that fib right here. I'm gonna measure it down to like where it got as low as like 30 cents, I believe. Let's see, how low did Radium go? Yeah, Radium got as low as 30 cents. So looking at the extension levels here. If I could just, yeah, make it so you guys can see it better. Yeah, right there. Okay, so the next fib extension, the next Fibonacci retracement level is the 0.382 level, and that's $6.63. That's where we could expect some resistance for radium. But if radium continues to go higher, then yeah, $8.59 level is going to be the next level for radium. Then $10.55 at the 0.618 Fibonacci golden retracement level. And then we could see radium then try to climb up to like $13.35 before it gets up to its all-time high of $16.91. So the Fibonacci retracement gives you an idea as like where the resistance might be for radium. But I see a lot of potential to make a lot of money here with radium in the next few months here, especially with Solana getting more popular and getting more coverage in the news, and Solana meme coins getting more popular out there. You're gonna see radium do pretty well here, guys, and that's probably why it's up 47% this week. But I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'm glad you guys made it out to the live stream. If you like the information that I provided here, go ahead and click that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can know when I go live again next time, and we can talk more about cryptocurrencies here. I'm going to do another live stream on Friday. We'll talk about the stock market. We'll do a stock market video. And then Sunday, we'll talk about cryptocurrencies again, because that's like the only thing that's trading on Sundays besides like oil and gold maybe. But yeah, we're gonna look at cryptocurrencies again on Sunday for a 5 p.m. live stream, and then we're gonna be looking at the stock market on Friday as well for like a stock market update, so you see what the popular stocks are out there. Okay, but yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys coming out to the channel, and you have to look for me again for the next live stream here. And good luck trading and investing, guys. And just a full disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, so please don't sue me, bro. None of these recommendations or these cryptos that we talked about should be taken as personal finance advice. You need to get your own personal financial advisor, someone who's not me, to look at your current situation and tell you what you should be doing with your finances. But I'm not telling you guys what to do with your finances, and I don't want to pretend like I'm a financial advisor here. I just enjoy talking about cryptocurrencies and trying to figure out where the prices might go next. Okay, this is just an educational live stream, and it's not personal finance advice. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on Friday. Okay, take care. Bye.